didn't work over Christmas shutdown when nothing else would.
Yeah, I think changing oil twice, it's probably something an overachiever would probably do. Right there. You see that metal panel on that little that semi truck with the cars on the back?
Yeah.
That little panel flopping around?
Yeah.
That's not good.
Nope. Well, I can't believe he don't see it.
Oh my goodness. Man, my heart dropped for a little minute.
Yeah. He's still not got control of that thing. Look, he's going over the other lane now.
Man, I got it all on video. Saw it again.
He gets off this thing in there, and that'll really pull him down in there.
Saw it again. Man, that guy is...
I don't have a radio here. I call in the Rocky and tell him. We can call the state up and tell him what's going on. That guy needs to pull over, rest somewhere.
If you can get close enough, I want to capture the license plate. And I could probably help get
to get that close, Trish, the way he's driving.
I mean, if you're in the left lane, you might be okay. I mean, that is a huge hazard. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna cut the recording and let me make like a report. That truck is really very concerning. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a report. Because if that metal panel falls off, someone's gonna get really hurt. Yep. Sorry, YouTube. Report is made.
Oh, there he goes again.
I saw it. Thanks, FedEx.
Back to the corn husking.
But they took one.
Took two of them to go get all the corn.
Oh, I didn't know they took a bus.
Yeah, they take the buses up every year and they bag the burlap bags full of corn up there and stack them in the bag.
Oh, that's good.
Check engine light comes on. We get halfway home. Look at that.
Oh, there's a spider on my hand. That's shocking. There's a check engine light.
Yep.
When you said that there was a spider crawling on my hand, I don't know where he came from. Oh, I think I know where it came from. There's webs from sitting.
That ain't good.
Yeah, it's right after it's just
Yep.
serviced and now
Yep.
it's right back to it.
Shouldn't see a check engine light this thing for months. Not when you're driving home.
Yeah, this bus is being a little odd. I guess we'll find out what happens next. Don't you have a thing where you can plug a computer in here and you can like see where the check engine light's coming from?
But I'm saying, if they do all that work to it, we shouldn't have to check this thing out.
Yeah. Some spider again.
They serviced this bus while they had it up there. Rocky was kind of pissed off because it cost an extra $7,000.
7,000.
Yeah.
Dang.